Hello, I'm Fatima Logan and I'm the Artistic Director for Vashti Dance Theater. And we are currently preparing to share one excerpt of a piece that I actually choreographed in 2012 called The Pearl. And we're going to perform an excerpt of it called Snap Out of It at the Boston Contemporary Dance Festival, which is August the 16th in Boston at the Paramount Theater. And we're really excited to participate in this festival because it's an opportunity for us to get to know artists from around the nation and also to share a bit of our work, which particularly deals with using live accompaniment and odd meters. Another new work that I'm preparing to present at the Creonis Theater in September. It doesn't have a title yet, but it's about relationships and people who come in and out of your lives and the different seasons that we have as we interact with different people. And the work that we do here at Vashti Dance is really about a marriage of the music and the dance and using those things to uplift and transform people with the stories that we tell through our dancing. So I hope to see you all soon at one of our performances. Thank you.